Richie Ruckus Beats.
Going on YouTube, it's your boy Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Tuesday, February 26th. We are back today with yet again another sneaker pickup. We're going to hit you with that unboxing, that review, and that on foot. And this is a pair of sneakers that I've been literally chomping at the bit to get my hands on. I want to think of so many crazy food puns right now to lead into this review, but I'm kind of having a brain fart, and I'm also not that cheesy. But let's rock and roll. We're going to jump right into this unboxing. Shout outs once again to the good folks over at Lapstone Hammer. I went in there this morning and picked up this pair of sneakers that released today. The retail is $130, and without further ado, you know the drill. Let's get a glimpse of these work walks. We have the Saucony Shadow Avocado Toast. Before I even go any further into the sneaker review, let's be real, I'm a little chubby. So your boy loves to eat. So when we combine sneakers and food, I'm here for it. But per usual, Saucony does not cut corners when it comes to the quality of their sneakers. If this was an actual avocado, it'd be as ripe as it... I'm not a big avocado eater. Is it ripe? This would be as ripe as it needs to be for 100% satisfaction on your taste buds. They bodied this. They never cut corners when it comes to the quality materials. They are always perfectly executed. The Shadow is a mainstay in Saucony sneaker arsenal. Just look at this. You got this perfectly executed wheat nubuck suede right here. You got that avocado green going up the rest of the upper. It's just phenomenally done. And Saucony, whenever they, do a collab or whenever they do a food infused sneaker, I love the special little touches that they do. Instead of saying guacamole, it says Saucamole on the back. The tongue, I don't want to unlace these till we get into the on foot, but on the tongue, there's an actual avocado, and where the core would be is the Saucony symbol. But then the insole has the avocado, and the insole actually feels like avocado skin. Attention to details and, little minuscule things, if you've been following my channel, are very big deals to me. I like when they go the extra mile, they go the extra step to incorporate what the premise of the sneaker is. So, again, hats off to Saucony, hats off to everybody over there. Once again, they bodied the sneaker. The quality, I cannot emphasize enough the quality that goes into their materials and just the overall build and feel of rocking with Saucony. Even the packaging, which I never get into with you guys, I never do a traditional unboxing. I do catch a lot of heat for that in my comment section. But even the packaging, you got a guacamole with the Saucony symbol inside it. Even the sell by date right here, another avocado, and then again, Saucamole. So I don't know if you guys thought I misspoke earlier, but I did drop a little of them cheesy puns that I was talking about. But just everything about this, and I've been an advocate for Saucony on this channel for some time. If you go back to my Bubba Gump review of Fomer Simpson's collab with Saucony, I did that crazy Forrest Gump inspired skit with me and Niasia. My Letterman Saucony find at Marshall's. Even some East Bay deals that I got, some pair of Sauconys and some pair of New Balances. I preach live above hype. And what I mean by that is you don't always have to go buy what is considered to be hyped and what's cool. Heavy on them finger quotes. Saucony is a dope sneaker company that's been around for years. And, I know that there's a Saucony army of people who just rock with them steady and rock with them heavy. But they are a humongous staple in the sneaker industry and a humongous staple in the sneaker community. And, you know, because they don't have someone like Kanye West's stamp of approval and Kanye West doing collabs and Virgil and Off-White, like, people sleep on Saucony heavy. And, you know, I'm not one of them people. I don't let people dictate to me what they think is cool. I don't let people, you know, try to influence what I wear, influence the kind of style I get down with. I just really, really think Saucony is a dope company. They are, like I said, they don't cut corners. You never get a pair of Sauconys that has, you know, shitty material or, you know, shitty craftsmanship. There's never like a stitching issue. Everything is always exquisitely done. And I'm so hungry looking at this, I'm probably going to go eat some avocado toast when I'm done this review. But at $130 for a sneaker that like tells a story, you know I'm big on that kind of stuff. When I look at a pair of sneakers, I think of the story of me when I'm wearing them. You know, stuff that I've been through, stuff that I went through, places that I went in them sneakers. So when a sneaker is like telling a story about itself back to me, I just think that is super dope. And like I said, it's just $130. Excellent, excellent craftsmanship, and you can't go wrong with a pair of these. And $130, you want to live, you know, that baller type lifestyle and be dropping $200, $300. You know, that's a lot of money every week on sneakers. When you can go get something that's top quality, that is always exquisitely done. Just one quick rundown on this pair before we get out of here, and we'll go bang out the on foot. True to size, as always with Saucony, I'm at 8.5 in every other sneaker. I go at 8.5 in my Saucony Shadows. And they do come with an extra pair of laces that matches the liner of the sneaker. It's got like them red dots. I'm actually going to be using these laces for a super dope lace swap, pending these are long enough for the sneaker I want to put them in. So if that works out, I'll get back to you guys with a different video on them. But we're going to go bang out this on foot. I'm going to go bang out some avocado toast, and I'll be back later this week with some more videos. But until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
The number you have reached, 911, has been changed.
actual traditional unboxing. I very rarely ever even show you guys the packaging unless it's like a B-roll at the end of the video. But this box, crazy. I have hit rock bottom with all these puns. Holla.
Richie Ruckus Beats.